Hello, and welcome to this Cookiedad guide. Today, we'll look at how to use one of the plugin's most powerful features, the policy generator. This tool lets you create professional drafts of your privacy policy and cookie policy based on applicable regulations and your site's configuration. Let's start with the cookie policy. The process will be identical for the privacy policy as well. By clicking on Start Wizard, we begin a guided questionnaire. This tool is designed to collect all the information needed to build a document tailored for you. The wizard will present you with a series of topic-based questions. It's essential that you answer each one as accurately as possible, because your responses will determine the content and legal validity of the final policy. At the end of the questionnaire, you'll be able to choose the languages in which you'd like to generate the document. You can select up to 6 from those supported by the plugin. Once you've made your selections, click Generate Cookie Policy to complete the process. Once generated, you'll see a preview of the text. If you've selected multiple languages, you can switch between versions using the tabs at the top. Now, to publish the policy on your site, you have 2 options. The easiest method, and the one we recommend, is to click Create Cookie Policy Page. With a single click, Cookiedad will create a new page on your site, publish it, and most importantly, automatically link it. This means the link will appear in the information section of your banner without any further action on your part. If you'd rather manage the page manually, you can use the Copy Text HTML button. This will copy the policy's code. You'll then need to create a WordPress page, paste the content, and publish it. Keep in mind, though, that with this method, the page won't be automatically linked to the banner. And there you have it. With the Cookiedad wizard, creating professional, compliant policies is a guided and secure process. Remember to answer the questions carefully to ensure an accurate document, and above all, have it reviewed by a trusted legal advisor. Thanks for following this guide. See you in the next video.